Okay, so we're gonna be drawing now Robin from Teen Titan Go. So make sure that you grab your Sharpie and start drawing. We're gonna start with the head. So first, you gotta make sure that you go all around. We're gonna start with the ear. It depends up to you however you want to draw it, but I always like to start from the ear and then go through the hair. As you can see, just a couple of pointer here, and then make sure that you go around. You can always start from the bottom and then continue a different section so that you can have a better control of the angles and basically what you're drawing, so you don't lose your uh, the perspective of the drawing that you're looking at. Then I'm gonna start drawing the eye, a little bit of the nose, and then I'm gonna do the other eye. It doesn't matter if it doesn't look exactly how the drawing that you're looking at, but close enough. Then we're gonna do the mouth right now. So just remember, you can do slow. Don't try to go too fast because then you're gonna mess up your drawing. Easy. Put the teeth, and then again, we're just gonna finish with the hair. A couple of points, kind of like a little like palm tree like. You can end there, start over from a different point. And that's just a good trick to get your drawing correctly. And then you have it, right? You have like the face. So now we're gonna do again a little bit of the neck. It doesn't matter if it doesn't look exactly the same. But you can practicing. You're gonna get to whatever you want to be, and just keep practicing, improve and improve. All right, we're gonna do a little bit of the what is I'll say the shirt, and then I'm gonna do the little hand again. If the hand doesn't look exactly like, I think I just mess it up a little. It doesn't really matter. The idea is that we practice, and that's how we're gonna go. All right. I'm doing the little glove here. Gonna be pointing with the finger. There you go. You can do the thumb, just like a little rectangle, and then you do another rectangle for the um, finger, then do the other fingers and just put lines across, right? If you think about it, they're just rectangles. There's nothing else about it, nothing too complicated. I'm gonna continue with the rest of the t-shirt, or its suit, actually. Superhero suit. And then the belt. Again, just gonna reiterate that, right? You can start, and you don't have to, it doesn't have to be perfect. The cool thing about drawing with Sharpies is that it's very forgiving. Even if it doesn't look like too close or exactly, you can actually make it, you know, um, made it look really good. So Sharpie is a really cool thing. All right, so here we're gonna, as you can see, there's a perspective change where the foot in front has to look really big. So it looks that it's a forward, just like the hand. And we can see that the perspective that Robin has, which is like, stepping forward and pointing, and then the back and the other foot, as you can see, the little boot is smaller, right? So we have a little bit of perspective there. So just keep those things in mind. Perspective is very important, and you can actually get to see a drawing that really looks really good. Okay, I'm just gonna remark a little bit with Sharpie. Again, it's really forgiving using Sharpie, so don't be afraid. It's um it's actually quite easy doing it directly with Sharpies. You can start if you want to draw with pencil as well. That really helps, and you can just go around with your Sharpie, or you can go straight to Sharpie, which is my preference on most of the times. All right, we're just gonna wrap up here. As you can see, the little glove and compared to the other one, so you can give that perception or perspective. Excuse me. Um, and then now again little details here and there. But basically, this is it. This is our robin. We're just gonna finishing up with the cape. Um, and again, it doesn't have to be exactly as the drawing, but it looks very close. And after we're finished with our Sharpie drawing, I'll be coloring it using markers as well. So stay tuned and watch the next video. Thank you for watching.